One of the most frequently asked questions we get asked at Carus is around air quality monitoring around our plant site. But first, let me take some time to introduce myself. My name is Darren Scott. I'm in the Technical Solutions Department, and I've worked at Carus for 25 years. I'm a chemist, and I've worked with our customers in the field, treating drinking water to purify it, helping to remediate sites, and also treat wastewater to make it clean enough to discharge to rivers and streams. One of the things we care about at Carus is the air quality around our plant, so we take care to make sure our emissions are low. The air quality monitoring is at the library near our plant site, and that air quality monitoring measures particulate matter in the air. This includes pollen from trees and plants, dust from street sweepers, anything that's in the environment, things you can see and things you can't see. You typically will see particulate monitoring on the nightly news when they talk about, can you go outside? And it'll be color-coded, like you see in the graph. Green meaning it's safe to go outside, yellow meaning there's a warning, or red meaning don't go outside. That monitor is available for the public to see and monitors everything in the LaSalle County area near our plant site. You can see that there's quite a bit of variability prior to the fire, where it's in both the green and the yellow. After the fire, you still see that exact same variability in the area as we brought our plant processes up over the weeks. First our phosphate plant, then our Carus process, and then finally our sodium process. The variability both before and after the fire is all the same, and we're not contributing to anything into the environment at that time.